You see, I actually already had a seal. I like using that one, but it's making the toilet kind of lift up a little bit too high. It ain't super messy like wax, so I try to use everything that ain't wax, all the newer style stuff. I seen this one here, which is still a wax-free toilet seal. And with this one here, on one side of it is a sticky. So you peel it, stick it to the bottom of the toilet, and then it pushes inside on the toilet flange right there for the seal. I got it right here. So with our installation, you see, it actually comes with 3 little ribs, but what I did was cut one off because of the depth of my drain over there. So chopped off one rib so it won't be touching that and making it lift up or whatever. Now what I gotta do is just pretty much peel this here. As y'all can see there, got some little sticky stuff on it. So peel that, stick it to the bottom of the toilet, and then push this toilet down the seal. And they say that you will actually feel the seal as you're pushing it down. So you got the little fins right here, and it probably give it a real nice seal. So right now I'm about to flip over the toilet. Of course I already put that one down, so it is water in here. Probably should have done it in the tub, but YOLO, I got a bag under here. I'm gonna take this toilet tank off so it can be out my way. It need to be a whole lot lighter. I took the tank off, now I'm about to just dump this toilet out. I got a tech cloth just to make sure there ain't no fine dust under here. Make sure this boy is dry. Just because this toilet been sitting in here through the full construction phase. All right, so we grab our seal. Peel that paper back. Line it up with the hose. I see that hole there. Put it right over that joint. You know. Ooh. Oh.
Uh-oh.
Come on now. Stick it to the touch. So, I'm press. It's my first time using this, so let's see if this boy works. If these work, and we got a new seal we're gonna start buying. So I'm pretty sure when I put it on there, it's probably gonna seal better because it's gonna actually be sitting on here. But I don't want this boy to move. There you go, look. So it's on there. I'm still gonna get some pressure. That's one thing. I don't really trust the peel and stick stuff, man. But hey, if they say it worked, we're gonna see. But I'm definitely keep pressing around, you know. Look at that. I don't know, dog. Ain't no wax on here. So I'm just gonna do this and then push this boy in place. Hopefully it don't fall off. If it fall off, then we're gonna switch back to old trusty. Look, bitch, fell off.
Oh.
Come on, man.
You need me to hold it? Or you putting it down?
I'm about to just sit it on there. Even though you ain't supposed to do it that damn way. But my glove just peeled. I don't know about this. This just peeled with fucking dust from my damn hand touching it. This why I don't like peeling stick shit. You got time for no issues. No toilets leaking. Nah.
That won't.
This toilet don't got no wax on it, no dust. It's on there. I don't know if I trust this thing. I'll add some toilet shrimp before it little right. Still. Alright. Put the bolts back on. I did put some shims under there still, but it was lower than that other plant. What other reason? See? Alright, so the toilet on there nice and tight. We just gonna have to keep testing this joint, make sure it ain't no leaks underneath or from downstairs. I don't want to get pulled out and mess with nobody's toilet out there to use it.
All gas, let's skate. Can't find the break. If you ain't about your paper, we can't relate. Can't let off the gas. They say I'm moving too fast. We building legacies and won't be last. I make them wave the flag. I see them coming and I do the dirt, but I just can't help my flag.
So that'll give it a harder flush. Keep flushing, make sure you don't got no leaks around the toilet. I ain't gonna lie, it didn't stick right away. That's what I didn't like about it. I don't know if maybe it was a little cold and it wasn't as tacky or what. But as y'all can see, it fits right inside a 3.5 inch and a 4-inch hole. I'll let y'all know if it starts leaking. I like this. This ain't never failed on me before. This is the only one I use in all our other houses. We're gonna see.